Lollipop here. Welcome back to my channel. Before I get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. Now let's actually get started. So today we are going to be doing fake fidget trading part 3, was it? And now let's actually get started.
Yeah.
So today I'm going to do part 3 of fidget trading with mixed fidget toys with Donut. And if you're wondering why we may not have the same fidgets, it's because Donut said her name. So
we're not allowed to say each other's names, so yeah.
So we kind of just had to make it.
Look at that, look what I'm doing.
So we just kind of had to make it as much as possible, like, perfect. So we did trade I did trade Donut this in the last video, but
so I won that back.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go a good turn.
Yeah, because in the last video she
All right, let's get something.
Yeah, right then.
Go. Is it Michael? Yeah, it's Michael. I'm gonna open this paper and this.
Okay, I'll offer you this.
Okay, just that. I don't know why you always get that when I want the big one.
No! Donut!
Okay, sorry, Lollipop. Oh, actually, oh my god, flipped.
Yeah, since this is actually
Okay,
Donut's Poppet, I probably aren't actually going to trade this to her. But I might do in the part 5.
I might trade this in part 5. Yeah.
We might trade in part 5. Right then, guys. So now, wait, whose turn is it to offer?
My go. Yeah. Wait, your go.
Yeah, it's my go. Right then, so I'll offer you this. It's very valuable because you can get all your own way in a trade.
Wait, I know what things are.
I want a lot of items for those.
Okay. This massage. Okay.
Tango.
Okay, Tangle. Legendary Tangle.
How about that little simple dimple over there? It's underneath all that. Donut.
I gotta do it. I can't do it! Oh yeah, I need a fake one. I'll give you 2 the fake ones.
Yep. And since I'm giving you a marble mesh, can you offer a marble mesh as well?
Nope.
Yeah, that one.
Cool.
Right then.
I will add this and then this.
Yeah.
Yay!
Woohoo! But now you can always get your own lane trades because you have that Ferris wheel. So if there's a trade that I don't like, then you can just offer that, and then I'll be like, accept.
Yeah, because you really like that.
Wait, you have 2 puppets now? I only have 1. Right then. So let's do this thing. And then, so whose turn is it to offer first? Oh wait, it's your turn to offer first.
Yeah.
Come on.
I'm thinking what I'm going to offer you, right? Nope, not the Ferris wheel.
You might remember you can always get your own way in a trade with that. If you want this rainbow poppet, I'll tell you what I want for it, and you can add those items and you'll get it.
Okay.
So, Ferris wheel. No, I'll tell you what I want. I want the Ferris wheel. These 2. Your poppet, your actual poppet.
I can't do that.
No, that poppet, and then it's a deal.
Oh, I can't do
Yeah, but remember, this one's rainbow, and it's not got a bad side.
I'll just do two.
No, otherwise I'm declining.
I can't do this. I can't do this.
Yes, you can. You can take away the simple dimple if you want and add that poppet.
Fine, I got the rainbow pocket there. At least I got my urn.
Right then, Donut, it's my turn to offer first now. Okay. I want that rainbow poppet back.
No.
So I'm going to offer her this, this, and this.
This.
No, the rainbow puppet.
Nope.
Just the rainbow puppet.
No.
Decline.
Okay. Can decline it. Still not on the puppet. Alright, let's do it again. Right.
Alright, then so it's your turn to offer first. Because I declined the last trade.
Okay, I'll read this.
Rainbow puppet.
Nope. Cannot do it. I just got it. Stop saying rainbow puppet. This.
Okay. I'll offer you.
Okay. Oh, we broke yours. He's looking at like, I want that really bad.
Right, come.
Oh, ow!
Hey, that's my organizer. Right then, so it's your turn to offer first. Wait, or is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's your turn to offer first. And then offer that rainbow Barbie, please. I'll offer you something that makes me over, if you want.
These?
No, can you? Wait, I've got the best trade for it, please. No, I've got the best trade for it. You want to accept straight away.
Fine.
Yes.
That's really good, Anna. And yes, accept. Yes. You got it back, Anna. No, you got it back.
I told you want to accept. I'm not trading this away now. No, you know there's no trade backs.
Oh no.
Come on. No.
Oh, let me do
It's my turn to offer first now.
Okay.
And I'll offer you this, and this. Whatever it is.
Okay, this DNA thingy.
No, it's a Shishibu.
Shishibu. This is DNA ball. This. Ooh.
That's cool. Because you see, I've run out of fidgets. You can tell. She's got all of them. She's the queen of fidget toys. Could you please offer
Fake puppet.
how about you take away the fake puppet and add this
No, not that.
and this. There you go. Is that a deal?
Okay, that's a deal. Wait, is that?
No, you offered me this.
I didn't. Wait, did I give that to you? That.
Yeah.
That
Wait.
oh yeah, that bracelet, that tiny
Yeah.
bracelet.
Yeah.
Oh, got that. I've got two puppets.
Who cares? This is the best puppet out of all of them. Alright then, so guys, that's all I have for today's video. If you liked it, make sure to smash that like and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!